Hi friends! Thanks for tuning in. If you like this video, please give it a like, comment below, and take a moment to subscribe to our channel.
Saint-Roch-de-Richelieu is a small and beautiful riverside community along the Richelieu River in Quebec. Located in the Montérégie region, Saint-Roch-de-Richelieu is a peaceful village with a rich history and a picturesque landscape of fields, forests, and water. Historically, the area was settled as a river outpost, with roots going back to New France and the early days of European settlement in Quebec. Its strategic position along the river made it a natural spot for trade and transport, as well as a gathering point for communities along the water. The Richelieu River was a key route for the Iroquois, and later became a primary path for European settlers and traders. Saint-Roch-de-Richelieu has retained much of its heritage, with historic buildings and rural charm. The village itself offers beautiful sights of the surrounding nature, and is well known for its rich fertile lands, contributing to the region's agriculture. This area is ideal for those who enjoy quiet, scenic views, with easy access to the river for boating and other water activities. Whether you're drawn to the area's history, the natural beauty of the Richelieu Valley, or just looking for a peaceful riverside village to explore, Saint-Roch-de-Richelieu is a lovely spot to visit.
watching!